All right, so what I tried to do is kind of mimic the screen you're seeing. I have less done in this homework, but what I want to do is redo one of these ones that I got wrong. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. So I'm assuming if you have the red X, you probably went through all of your attempts. It's like 3 attempts or whatever. And then what you want to do is you open up and then hit similar question, and then it gives you another one, and you can just try it again. So I had it wrong, like I showed you. So let's see if we can get it right. So now it's negative x squared plus 10. So we want here, and if x is 1, so there is my, what I think is the correct answer. Okay, and that's it. And that changed my answer from incorrect to correct. It wasn't the same problem, but that's how you do it. Okay, so what you want to do is when you're on this screen, just go ahead and click on anyone you got wrong if you want another shot at it, and then you go, maybe this one I didn't use all my attempts. So okay, let's try that one again. So if you went through all your attempts, then so you have the red X, you go in, same problem, and hit similar question. If you haven't gone through all your attempts and you have a red X and you click, then you still should have another attempt. So it's like you get a couple attempts for one problem. If you get it wrong like a certain amount of times, I think it's 3 times, then you can try a new question. All right, and then you can just keep doing that forever until you get it right. So I hope that makes sense, but let me know if you still have questions.